Hello, my name is Sid. I am the founder of Lush, here with a product demo here of the mobile application for housekeepers. And if you're a housekeeper, you know that your job is really just to get these rooms turned over as quickly as possible and to keep the satisfaction of guests at the highest possible by fulfilling or serving any requests that the guests may have. And additionally, there's also like auxiliary functions that you need to perform as well, like communicating with the front desk or maintenance, the issues that you're seeing on the ground level in terms of why these rooms can't be sold immediately. So these are like the problems that are plaguing you. The issues that you're really experiencing then is you don't have a way to do that easily. Your system is slow and you can't communicate very well with the extraneous departments, or you don't have something that's prioritizing everything in front of you and giving you like insight information into what you need to be doing at what time, which is really what Lush is aiming to do. It's making the hard easy for you. It's making everything super, super simple where you can do everything, see everything in the palm of your hand. First thing is you need to know when you're working. So here's your schedule for the upcoming week. And then let's go ahead and just click on your shift today. And then from your shift today, you can see you have details of, okay, you have 1 floor assigned and 13 room assignments. And then it kind of gives you like the progress of where you're going. So you go ahead and start your shift. And at any time, you can go ahead and pause your shift. Let's say, for example, that you're going on break. And then pausing the shift is going to allow your team members to know when you're on break and when you are not on break. And that's helpful because they can't assign you work during that time, right? So you pause your shift and then go on your break, eat your lunch, resume your shift, and then you're back. And then from being back, you want to get to work. So you have your room assignments queue right here. And the cool thing about this room assignments queue is that it's always going to have the priorities for you in order. So this is critical, rush, standard, and it's going to be updating in real time. So for example, your front desk changes something and they want to let you know that something changed and that a guest needs something new, they can go ahead and just like change the ordering of these like from their system, right? Let's say, for example, that 411 now is a critical assignment and it needs to be bumped up to critical. Just like that, boom, it's bumped up to critical. So it's right there for you. So you just go down the list and you don't really have to think about it, right? Like you just keep that in the palm of your hand and you just know what you need to do, when you need to do it. So first one here, you got a service, it's a guest request. Guest needs a toothbrush and toothpaste, pretty straightforward. You click on it, you can see the description, start your assignment, complete your assignment after you give them the toothbrush and the toothpaste. And then you got a little one completed here and you move on to the next one. So you got another cleaning here and you start your assignment. Now, in the course of you kind of going through a lot of these assignments, there's going to be times when other priorities pop up, at which point you'll need to pause these assignments. So you can pause this assignment, go back to your queue, pick up another ticket, and then perform whatever you need to perform on that ticket. And then you can always come back to this one, resume it, and then do the work that you need to do or finish what you needed to finish, complete the assignment, and then you just keep on moving on. So that's for the most part how it works. And then one of the only other things that you will need at your fingertips is to be able to report issues. So let's say, for example, in the course of cleaning 1422, you notice that there is a major maintenance problem that needs to be fixed and needs to be adjusted immediately. So you type in 1422, say it's a plumbing, and let's say, there is a flood everywhere. Water overflowing from the tub. And you can go ahead and say that this impact is going to put this room out of order. Attach photos because sometimes the maintenance team, they want to be able to see what's going on, right? And then so this photo is pretty self-explanatory. You can see that everything is kind of like flowing over. And you submit the issue. And it's as easy as that. Now it's going to go to the maintenance queue. They're going to be able to see all the issues at the ground level. And then you should be good. So that's Lush in a nutshell for the mobile application. Super simple, super easy to use. All the information that you need in the palm of your hand, prioritization and communication right there for you.